In this section I am talking about operators in Java. We will see what is operators in Java, types of operators in Java, and arithmetic operators in Java. What is operators in Java? Operators means it's a symbol that is used for performing the operations like mathematical operations, logical operations, like that. These symbols are plus, minus, subtraction, modulus, multiplication. These are the symbols we are using as operators in Java. There are different types of operators in Java. That is, one is arithmetic operators in Java, another one is logical operators, assignment operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, and unary operators. These are the types of operators in Java. Next I am talking about arithmetic operators. What is arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators is used to perform arithmetical operations. What are the arithmetic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus, and division. These are the arithmetic operations we are performing. Here I will show you one example. Here variable a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. I assigned and I have to perform arithmetic operations. These are the operations I have to perform. A plus b is equal to 15, a minus b is equal to minus 5, and next a multiplication b, that is 50, a divides b 0, a modulus of b is equal to 5. These are the arithmetic operations we are performing in Java. That is it about arithmetic operations in Java.